Meet Abby, the next-gen smart hydroponic grow box. With Abby, anyone can grow any strain in any space. Just plug and play. You'll be amazed how fast your plant grows each time you open the door. All you need to do is change the water once a week. With our measureless, pre-packaged nutrients, your hands will stay clean. Abby has sunlight, flowing water, and breezing air all in one little box. She's the size of an end table and fits nicely in any corner of your home. But don't be fooled by its compact size. Abby comes with the industry's best Samsung LM301H full spectrum LED light and uses an advanced algorithm and light schedule. The dual carbon filter removes odors, keeping your room smelling fresh. And a sleek magnetic cover protects your privacy and prevents external lights from interfering with your plant. Finally, to add a personal touch, all Kickstarter backers will receive one-on-one growing support from our in-house growers for the first year from the Hey Abby app. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the pure fun of growing your homemade recipes. So this is Abby, always with a lowercase a and a big smile. Back us and start growing now with Abby.